This is a Hund Katz puzzle. It was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all the pieces into the cat or dog shape in the frame. So right now there is a dog with the pieces, and you have to put all the parts inside of the cat shape frame. If you like the Hund Katz puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So the Hund Katz is made from laser cut wood, a traditional material for Jean-Claude Constantin puzzles. It has 12 parts, as you can see here in the dog, and you have to remove all of them and put them into the cat shape. Like probably this piece will fit right here where there is a tail, but there are some parts that will be much more difficult to fit, since like this one, it can be here or it can be here. So there are too many possibilities how you can put part inside the frame. And then you have to fit all 12 pieces into the cat shape. And once you are done playing with the cat shape, you can put everything, all 12 parts back to the dog shape. So it will be quite a tricky puzzle, and you will spend quite a lot of fun time trying to figure out the solution. If you like the Hund Katz puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.